wouldn't be a good travel day without Starbucks. Good morning! It's travel day. We are headed to Oregon. We're going to Bend, Oregon. It's a trip that we initially planned last year, but we had to change our plans because there were too many fires up there and the air quality was really bad. So this year we were watching and patiently waiting for the lookout fire to clear its air, and Oregon got some rain and we got lucky and the air quality is great. So we're headed up there. We are actually staying over at a Harvest Host. We're going to Shasta Brewing Company and we're going to stay the night there, kind of break up the drive up to Oregon, and then end up in Bend on tomorrow. And we're hooking up with our friends. Jeff and Debbie and Rick and Amy are going to meet us at the Sun Outdoors Bend, and we're really looking forward to it. Bend is such an awesome town. We cannot wait. So this is our second time staying at Shasta Brewing Company here in Weed, California, on our way up to Bend. So we're gonna go in and grab a beer and grab some stuff to eat. So the inside of this brewery is so cool. It's very eclectic. It's got all kinds of bicycles. We've talked to the brewmaster Marco before, and he's a cyclist as well, so there's all these bikes, and it's just really funky and cool. We like it.
I guess it used to be an old creamery.
Oh, an old dairy or old creamery? Yeah. And we got ourselves a couple of IPAs. Woohoo! They're good. Cheers! Headed back to our trailer from Shasta Brewing Company.
It's a long way.
Yeah, might take us all of 2 minutes. And look at this view. Mount Shasta with snow on it this year. There was no snow last year.
Bend was established as a city in 1905, primarily as a logging community. Since then, it has increased in popularity with thousands of people moving there annually. Its population doubled over the last 20 years. Now Bend is seen as a mecca for all outdoor enthusiasts. It is popular for snow sports, fishing, hiking, road and mountain biking, kayaking, camping, rock climbing, whitewater rafting, and golf. It also has a booming brewery scene with over 24 breweries calling Bend their home. Bend is located in central Oregon on the eastern edge of the Cascade Mountain Range. It sits at over 3,600 feet and has the Deschutes River running through it. Each of the restrooms, men's and women's, super clean and modern. Hot sauna. Wow. Really nice showers. Nice. Definitely gonna need to come back for the hot tub, huh?
We are going to go in the hot tub. Let's do happy hour.
It's happy hour time. Woo!
Been waiting.
Heading over to Jeff and Debbie's. We're clear across the campground, so we're going to drive over and have a little happy hour. morning. Our first choice is going to be Sparks Lake, so we're headed there first. We heard it's a shallow lake, so there might be too shallow to kayak in some of the fingers, so we're going to check it out first. It would be our first choice. It's got beautiful views of the Sisters Mountains, and it's supposed to be just stunning. We do have a backup plan of Hosmer Lake in case that doesn't work out. But so the last 2 miles to Sparks Lake is a dirt road, and there's some potholes and stuff, so it's a little bit slower going. Made it to Sparks Lake, but it is pretty shallow. Trying to figure out whether or not we should give it a try. It's so pretty though.
Shallow.
No, I'm not saying. So Sparks Lake is unique in that the water leaks through the fractures and cracks in the lava rock. So this lake typically gets shallow because of that. So we're on Sparks Lake. We're going to give it a try. There are definitely some shallow places, but we're going to see if we can get through. Right behind you, Mike, is the Sisters Mountain range. There's 3 Sisters Mountains. And we've got a little seat peak right here, a little peekaboo.
Right between those trees.
Well, one of them got food. They dove down into the water. Yeah. We're being treated by this amazing nature show. There's osprey all over the place, diving into the water, getting fish. It's so beautiful. So we may have to abort Sparks Lake. We should have known when the parking lot was not full. And there's nobody else out here. Too shallow. But the views here are amazing. There's the Sisters. There's 1, 2, and 3 over that way. So the views are amazing, but it's just too shallow. Okay, round 2. We're at Hosmer Lake now. There's lots of water. It's beautiful. A little bit overcast today, and they're doing some controlled burns, so there's smoke in the air, but here's our way out to the lake. That's the life, huh? Crew is all here. So we've got this really shallow, oh, it's sand? Yeah. Shallow, and it's just so beautiful and light green. I mean, this is stunning. This place, I'm so glad we found water that we could kayak in, right? Yeah, it's not deep right here, but look how beautiful.
The whole lake is only like 3 or 4 feet deep, so you can see the bottom and it's so clear.
And we were seeing those fish,
fish
through the clear water. It's more like a river, you know, because you're going through all the grasses, and it's not just an open lake. There's a lot of features that you can go in and through, and yeah, it's very cool. Good morning. It's a beautiful day in Bend. We are headed to Tumalo Falls to go for a hike, but first we're stopping at the Sparrow Bakery to meet Dan and Val, but also to try out some of their pastries. I guess they're known for something called an ocean roll, so we're gonna check it out. The ocean roll. Oh my gosh, it is so good. I really, really recommend this. So good. So yummy. The cardamom is really light. It's not overwhelming.
After leaving the Sparrow Bakery, we headed west to Tumalo Falls.
So we made it to the Tumalo Falls trailhead. And Dan here, who's a local, you're a local now in Bend. They moved from our area to Bend a few years ago.
Yes.
Taking us on Tumalo Falls hike. Tell us a little bit about the hike.
Well, the major falls are only less than a quarter mile away.
The beautiful one.
But then there's another half dozen. You can take the trail up about 4 miles to Happy Valley.
Nice.
And beautiful falls along the way. It is fun. Popular hike.
Yeah, very popular. Parking lot's full already. It's a Tuesday. And yeah, come early, but
it's a nice bike trail going up. These guys are going to have fun.
Yeah.
It's a one-way going up, and then they got all sorts of
12
options.
miles of down. Yeah.
All
Sweet.
sorts.
All right, have a good ride.
Should be fun.
Beautiful. Wow. Oh my goodness. Crystal clear water. Tumalo Falls is right in the beginning, which is the main falls. And I guess there are several more that we're gonna hit. So we'll go up about an hour. We'll have to turn around so we can meet up with the guys and then go to 10 Barrel Brewery. Love it. Should be fun. Perfect. Should we go out and look? I think so. Oh my gosh. Are you kidding me? Wow. So we are a mile in and we're treated to this beauty. 1, 2, and a little fall. So we're at mile 2 from the parking lot, and there's another gorgeous view of another waterfall. How was the ride?
Oh, that's what.
Most of it was great.
Have you
Yeah.
been there all the time? Oh crap! What?
Uh-oh.
Did you fall?
Yeah.
Oh no! Why? I mean, what happened?
Uh-oh.
What a great area. Oh my God.
You guys had fun going up. Right?
Yeah.
How many miles did you get in?
Just under 10.
Oh, under 10? Okay, so it wasn't in the very beginning.
It was like 4 to the top and then 6.
Oh, is that right?
Oh, wow.
But you had another 10 in you.
Turned
right?
around at the
Could've.
perfect spot.
Yeah.
So we wrapped up the Tumalo Falls hike. We went out and back almost 5 miles, about 5 miles to that bridge. It was amazing. We definitely could have gone further, but we're hooking up with our friends and stuff. So we're gonna wrap it up and go to 10 Barrel Brewing Company and check that place out.
Ten Barrel West Side is one of our favorite breweries in Bend.
Here, thank you.
Awesome, thank you. So we made it to 10 Barrel, ordered our favorite type of beer, which is hazy, and it is delicious. Beautiful, so cheers.
And Northern California.
So we got the CBR, right? Chicken Bacon Ranch. I think there are. Pizza. And, oh my gosh, it is so yummy. Good morning. We're at Sun Outdoors in Bend, and they have tennis courts and pickleball striped lines. So we're gonna go play pickleball really quick, and then go for a ride downtown and explore the river trail, and then meet up with some friends at Crux Brewery. So it should be a really good day. Can't complain, right? So Mike and I are getting ready to go on a bike ride. We're gonna take a ride right from the campground, go up Pilot Butte. So Pilot Butte is old, dormant volcano, sort of in the form of a butte, and you can ride up to it and then apparently walk around the caldera, something like that, and beautiful views of like Sisters and the Cascades and everything. So we're gonna do that and then just cruise around downtown. There's the Butte. Be climbing that. It's about almost 500 feet. You see the road. Oh man, it looks steep. So we're heading up Pilot Butte on the road. It's about a mile to the top, and right now it's 9%. So, but short climb, 360 views at the top should be fabulous. So the Cascade mountain range is directly out that way. These mountains are volcanoes, part of the ring of fire that encircles the Pacific Ocean. The Three Sisters rise over 10,000 feet. Glaciers have shaped all three peaks. This area is called Newberry National Volcanic Monument, and it's a large area that includes all kinds of cinder cones and buttes. This is one of them. Lava flow erupted from the vents of the Newberry volcano. So the caldera of the Newberry volcano has a couple lakes in it. It looks like we might explore that on another day, but this whole area is 1,200 square miles of volcanic activity back 400,000 years ago. We made it to downtown and we stumbled upon Silver Moon Brewing, so we just want to lay eyes on it, see what it looks like. Food trucks, nice, beer garden, stage, fire pits. Wow, looks pretty nice. Yeah, I think this is Mirror Pond. Oh, here's Bend Brewing Company. Didn't we come here last time?
Yeah. We walked up with the car back.
Yeah, I'm gonna turn in here. Yeah, it looks like they developed it quite a bit. So food truck. Yeah. Wednesday farmers market. Here's Drake Park, right along the Deschutes.
there's Sun River Brewing Company here in Bend. Also wonderful outdoor dining. Oh, here's where they do the surfing, huh?
And the tubers go on this side.
Tubers go on this side. Safer. Then if you want to surf, they've built a surfing area over there. I think from the bridge we'll be able to see it better. Yeah, there's the amphitheater for concerts and stuff.
Oh, but the old mill's on this side.
Yeah. And here's where people kayak and tube and paddleboard down the Deschutes, and we're entering into the old mill district. Campsites have these great sheds that you can lock your valuables in. Works perfectly for bikes. Well, we finished our great bike ride, went back to the trailer, got all cleaned up and had some lunch, and we're gonna head out to Crux Fermentation Project. It's another brewery. Lots of breweries in Bend. I'm gonna go check that out and meet up with our friends. That's a hazy. That's a hazy. Well, it's Thursday and it's our last full day in Bend with our friends. We've been having such an amazing time. We played pickleball this morning and now we're going to go on a hike out to Tumalo Mountain. So we're going to climb that peak. I think it's like 1,400 feet of climbing, so it's all up, then all down. So looking forward to that. It's supposed to have some really beautiful views at the top. After that, we're going to a place called The Lot, which is food trucks. It's all about the food trucks. So that sounds really amazing. And before we go on a hike, we're going back to Sparrow Bakery because that ocean roll was just to die for. That's stuff that dreams are made of. So I looked it up. It's croissant. It's croissant dough, but it's made in the form of a cinnamon roll, sort of rolled, and then it has vanilla and cardamom sugar on the inside. It's phenomenal. Anyway, we are looking forward to today, and we'll show you all the things. It's the best. Yay! It's the best.
Love it.
Hiking up Tumalo Mountain, which is a 2 mile up to the top and 2 miles back, out and back, and very steep. How much elevation?
Like 1,400, I think.
Yeah, 1,500 feet of climbing. And it's a super clear day, so there should be great views at the top.
So we have about a half a mile to go, I would say. We just stopped to enjoy the scenery. It's so beautiful. And there's Mount Bachelor. Oh wow. So broken top that way? And then
South sister,
south, middle sister,
Then-
and we can't see the north sister. There's a fire, so it's a little hazy. So headed back down from Tumalo Mountain. What an amazing hike. It's all uphill for 2 miles. Doable, but yeah, all uphill. The views are stunning, breathtaking. There's some fires in the area, so there's a little bit of smoke, but what a great hike. So we're headed down, and then we're going to meet our friends for lunch, I think, at the food truck place. The lot was established in 2013, and it's designed for food carts to gather together around a central area. The tap room adds the option of enjoying local pints and other beverages. Pork curry rice bowl. Yum! Looks amazing. What did you guys get?
Same.
Beer.
Paloma and beer.
Cheers. Sweet. And what, you got the same thing? Only, yeah. Oh,
We got shrimp in that one, and then what you got?
With curry bowl there.
Yeah. Oh, and then of course these. These
Oh
are
my
the
gosh.
most boring fries that they have.
what? They're just little skinny things.
Yeah, little truffles.
Oh, wow. Sweet. Dan got the fish
Tacos.
tacos.
Because
So what did you
then
get?
there's plenty of parking.
Veggie tacos. Nice. All right, next stop, McMenamins. Used to be an old school. It's been converted into a lovely little lodge and brewery and restaurant, and supposedly there are some secret rooms that you have to do like secret things to get in. So we're gonna go check that out. Okay, so what's the deal here, Jeff?
Well, from what the bartender told us, up all the way to the top floor, walk down to the end of the hall where it says employees only, go through that door, and then you find where the broom closet is, or the broom wall is, and you push on it, and that's supposed to open up to the other speakeasy, or like
Okay.
wine bars.
Yeah,
So let's give
we're
it a
on
try.
a search. Be sure to subscribe to catch our next video, which highlights our adventure trying to find the secret room at McMenamins.
Until next time.
Bye.
How sad. Goodbye. So this is our second time staying at Shasta. Cut. What do you think of the ocean roll?
That's yummy.
Yeah,
Is
Jeff.
it yummy? Have you had any yet? Do you want to try it?
She had some.
One tiny bite and then he takes off.
Where you going? Okay.
Warm cheese from Dad's pocket.
Warm cheese from Dad's pocket. So we're gonna wrap it up and go to 10 Barrel Brewing Company and check that place out.
That's what we do.
That's what we do. Now you have your to-go cup.
Like that?
Your sippy cup.
Wait, didn't I do this with my margarita somewhere?
Yes. Good morning. It's a beautiful, what day is it? Wednesday. They're having a farmer's market Tuesday. It's Tuesday. Wait, no, is it Wednesday? It's Wednesday. Wednesday farmer's market. Special delivery.
Is it my birthday?
No, it's dark. It's dark. There's nobody in there.
That is such a nice dangerous life.
They really do mean danger.
They were joking.
So great.
This is the memorabilia from the school.
Is there a flog? They have flogs.